Welcome to my channel. I'm Shanae. I create classy and sophisticated looks. Let's get started. Alright guys, so time for lashes. New pair that I'm going to be launching on my website, 𝖫𝖮𝖮𝖪.com, so stay tuned. I love doing looks like this because it just makes you look sophisticated, classy, especially if you have on like a gown or something beautiful. Even if it's just a blazer and some jeans, it'll just look out of this world great. And then when you apply these lashes, I haven't named them yet, so if you got a good name for them, just list it down below. When you look good, you feel good. I promise you that. On my channel, I only do classy and sophisticated looks that you can constantly wear all the time. That's going to make you look grown and sexy. That's the type of looks I'm interested in doing. So if you want to look grown and sexy, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I promise you I won't let you down. So I'm going to go ahead and do my entire face, and I'm going to come back. You can do whatever you choose to do, but I always like to use brown. I'm a brown girl. When you have your eyes speaking for you, you shouldn't do too much with your lips. Like, be honest, clear gloss, lip liner, and go. You're done. I wouldn't do too much with the lips. Because when you do a classy and a sophisticated look, you don't need a lot. You just don't need a lot. Be honest, this looks good like this. And this is honestly how I would wear mine, and I would go. But because of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put on some kind of lip color. And there you go. There you go. This is the finished look. Because anyone can create this look. It makes you look decent, sexy, and pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and comment and subscribe. Share this video if you have any friends or family that wants to upgrade their makeup or want to see classy, sophisticated looks that they can also wear any time of the day, and they know they will be looking very, very neat and pretty and wearable. Just send them on over. So go ahead and click that thumbs up button if you want to see more videos. And until next time, I'll talk to you later.